everybody. Welcome to Bass and Bonsai. That's how you do it. Mwah. Am I a believer in the jackhammer yet? No, not yet. Oh, I had a hit. Definitely a hit. Try one more. Up and over the wood. Bring it right into there. There we go. Right in the honey hole. I knew there should have been a bass there. There we go. So the jackhammer will catch him. Nothing to write home about. We've given it a shot for a while. Let me try the original again for a while. Oh, there was a tap. Nibbled it. Nibbled it. You guys need anything out of the truck while we're here? Now's the time. Now's the time if you do, because we're getting ready to hit it again. There we go. Oh, that's a nicer bass. That is a nicer bass. Just got over here. Get up. Big bass of the day so far. That just happened to be the Z-Man original. Caught that one. Oh! Mwah. Quit it, you feisty beast. Come right out here and throw back in the shallow spots. And catch Chatterbait bass. You guys missed that one. The old black and blue Chatterbait is kicked in. I ain't sure which one I got on. Got him. Is that a bigger bass or just got grass too? Oh yeah, see I got grass and the bass. I think, yeah, that's a Z-Man original. I couldn't even remember which one I had on. That's what I said all along. I can't myself really tell one better than the other because they look and feel pretty much the exact same. I mean, there's not that big a difference, especially in the water reeling them in. Right off the bank with the Chatterbait seems to be our best bite, just like that. Wow. But they're these little ones, but man, they're just all over. They're on fire. They're just eating it up. But man, they're so little. Like BFS little. You know what I mean? All right. I had a little hit right there. Or just keep pounding away, and you know, every once in a while in between the little ones, liable to get a big one, is what I'm thinking. You know what I mean? If it does work. Might as well stick with it. That is might be a bigger one. Might be a big one. Oh, it's a... It was, but I didn't get a good hook set on that one. All right, we're sticking with that. The big ones will hit it if you come across the big ones. So that one hit it running. I couldn't catch up with him. I knew when he came up and jumped, I probably didn't have a good hook set. Can't blame that one on the bait at all. Whoa, bounced off the wood. Right here at the boat. Jesus. That is a good bass too, right at the freaking boat. Whoa. I hope I got him. Man, that thing, I saw him. He came up and whacked it. Get in this boat. Woo! Never doubted it for a minute. Just a few. Oh my goodness. Yeah, see, that one went in good. That's like right when you see him hit, like how hard do you yank? I didn't really yank super hard because it was like that close. But that was, I don't know if it'll show up on the video. Nicest bass of the day, not that big, about 2 pounds. But we love him like he's a 5-pounder, or she. Nice bass. All right, there it is. That was the Z-Man original black and blue. Caught the big bass of the day so far. Tell you what I'll do, I'll go ahead and put on the old Jackhammer and try it for a while now, see what we can do. But let's get this one in the water, see if it'll jump. That is my ultimate half-ounce rod and reel combo. NG Extreme 2, the Fantasista 6'7". Super lightweight, powerful though. See if it'll jump. Come on, girl, be the star of the show. Come on. Oh! Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. That's how you do it. Right like that. About scared the bejeebies out of me. You know what the bejeebies are? I don't either, but man, they just got scared completely out of me. All right, let's go. Let's catch it back. I went back with the Jackhammer now. We caught that big one. Let's see if the old Jackhammer, what it can do. And it was right up in here. I backed back up a little bit just to hit this spot again. But that one hit, I mean, right at the boat. I don't know if it followed it or what. It's actually awesome when they do that, but sometimes it's hard to get those. You don't know how hard or easy to yank, or you don't have time to yank and they just grab it, so then they're not hooked that good. Whew. I came out here looking for a bigger bite, throwing the rattle trap off the edge. Is that a hit? Of this grass, nothing. And I knew from being up in the shallows that right along that grass line, I was eating them up with the chatterbaits in the shallow, so figured I'd try it here, and so far, right there, that's a good bass. Whoa, that is a big one, boys. Hang on. Oh my God. That is a bigger bass. I hope it's hooked good. That's on the old Jackhammer. Get him out there. Oh yes, 4.5, 5-pounder, easy. Can't tell how good he's hooked. You gonna jump for us? We got you caught. You're on camera. You can't get away. We'll track you down. That's got a big old head. Jump for him. Jump. Come on. There you go. There you get over here. Get over here. Stop jumping. Come here. Come here to me. I got you now. Oh, you're. Woo! That, my friends, is a big one. That is a big largemouth bass. Let me spin you around. Let me get the sun in my eyes. I can see what's going on. There it is. Big largemouth of the day. Probably only 4. Big old head, big fat, but short. See how short that bass is? That's the biggest bass I've caught with this bait. I gave it a shot. I just got done catching the next size biggest of the day on the Z-Man original. Put on the Jackhammer within a probably same 15-20 foot area. Caught that sucker. So I'm gonna get a pick, get this thing wet, and then we're gonna turn it loose. But that's how we do it at Bass and Bonsai. Exactly how we do it. Mwah. Nice bass. Let's get it wet. Beautiful largemouth bass. That's how you do it here at Bass and Bonsai. Okay, everybody, I'm gonna put a wrap on this Chatterbait Shootout. As you can see, we've kind of got him chewed up a little bit today. Gave him a workout, but I'll give the edge today to the Jackhammer. Then lost its trailer, but got a little of the paint coming off. It's definitely been through the paces today. Caught a lot of fish. Caught the biggest bass of the day is why I'm giving the edge to this one. This one held its own right there with it. Lost fish on both, if you guys want to compare the hooks, but overall both very good baits. Nothing wrong with these baits. The only thing I'm trying to figure out is, does it justify to start buying these for $15 over these for $5? And I'm still not there, trust me, not there yet. Where I am at though is the Omega Custom Tackles. So I'm done, I'm putting a wrap on this one, but I got maybe a couple hours if I decide to set out in this heat and fish. Fishing, so I'm going to put these up, do away with that test, and I'm going to go with what was working this morning, but I wanted to get that test in, this guy. So there is one bank that I haven't really hit yet because the wind hasn't been blowing on it, but as you see on the dam, we caught that big one there without any wind. So I can never stop fishing. I'm gonna go over there and finish up just my normal video. So if you're watching this comparison video, check out the full video that's gonna have some of the comparison stuff on it, but also with the rattle trap I caught a few, and then with the Omega custom tackle, and check it out. So anyway, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and whatever you do, help share the channel. Bass and Bonsai, coming to a honey hole near you, whether you like it or not. Now get out of here and go bass bonsai somewhere else. I got work to do. Exactly how we do it. Big largemouth bass. Let's see if it'll jump. That is a beauty. We're gonna jump. Do a big jump. Come on. Do it. Yeah! Woo! The taste of success. But really, let's get it. Woo! I've got my blood pressure like, woo! Alright, let's go. Let's catch a bass. Something stuck to my leg. I know, right? Rough life. Someone's got to live it. Let's do it. Power up! Bass Pro Shops in the house. I'm being crazy now. All right, let's get their chatter on. Cha-cha-cha. Chatter! Let's go. Let's go! We keep going. Oh yeah, we're gonna keep going. That's what we do. We keep going.